Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own green screen video with CapCut PC. So to make your own green screen video, first you need a green screen background that you can easily find on the internet. And after that, import it to CapCut PC, and here I've already downloaded mine and I'm going to add it to track. Okay, so make this as the background and then add another video or photo to the CapCut PC, to the timeline, as an overlay. So let's say I want to add this videos right here. Then I'm going to make it, place it at the top. Okay, then adjust the green screen background to align with the durations of the clips. And after that, click on the overlay video that you added before. Go to cutout and then click on auto cutout. Wait for the background fully removed from the video, and then just after that you can see the result. Okay, so the auto cutout has been completed and you'll get the green screen video like this. But you can always adjust the size of the main video. Okay, I'm going to adjust the scale. You can go make it smaller and place it like this, for example. And I think that's it. I hope this green screen video is helpful for you. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.